England, a land of verdant hills where the green stretches as far as the eye can see, winding rivers that carve through the landscape, and ancient woodlands that whisper tales of old. A tapestry woven with history, myth, and breathtaking beauty where every corner holds a story waiting to be discovered. There's something undeniably captivating about the English countryside, a charm that draws you in and leaves an imprint on your soul, making you yearn for more. And what better way to experience this magic than by lacing up your boots and embarking on a journey through its scenic country walks where every step brings a new discovery. From the rugged coastlines that meet the sea with dramatic flair to the rolling hills that cradle the heart of the land, England offers a diverse range of landscapes waiting to be explored. Imagine strolling through fields dotted with wildflowers, the air alive with the sound of birdsong, a symphony of nature that soothes the soul. Picture yourself meandering along ancient paths, the ghosts of history whispering secrets in the breeze, each step a journey through time. These walks are not just about physical exercise. They are a journey for the senses, a chance to reconnect with nature and delve into the heart of England's heritage, feeling the pulse of the land beneath your feet. So, let's embark on a virtual trek, exploring the allure of England's country walks and the treasures they hold, uncovering the hidden gems that make this land so enchanting. Standing as a steadfast guardian of England's natural and architectural treasures, the National Trust plays a pivotal role in preserving the beauty of the countryside. This organisation, founded in 1895, has grown to become one of the largest landowners in the United Kingdom, with over 500 properties and 250,000 hectares of land under its care. This conservation charity protects and cares for a vast network of walking trails, historic houses, gardens and coastlines, ensuring their legacy for generations to come. Their efforts not only safeguard the environment but also provide educational opportunities and recreational activities for millions of visitors each year. From the rugged cliffs of Cornwall to the rolling hills of the Cotswolds, the National Trust offers a diverse tapestry of landscapes to explore. Each location is meticulously maintained to highlight its unique natural beauty and historical significance. Each trail tells a story revealing glimpses into England's past, from ancient woodlands to grand estates shaped by centuries of history. These paths are not just routes through nature, but journeys through time, offering insights into the lives and landscapes of bygone eras. One of the remarkable aspects of the National Trust is its commitment to accessibility. They strive to make their sites welcoming to everyone, regardless of physical ability, ensuring that all visitors can enjoy the natural and historical wonders they protect. With clearly marked paths, detailed maps, and informative signage, they make exploring the countryside a joy for all. These resources help visitors navigate and appreciate the rich heritage and natural beauty of each site. Whether you prefer a leisurely stroll or a challenging hike, there's a National Trust walk to suit every taste and ability. Their diverse range of trails ensures that everyone can find a path that matches their interests and fitness level, making the countryside accessible and enjoyable for all. No exploration of England's countryside would be complete without encountering its majestic castles, each with its own unique story and architectural splendor. These stone sentinels, perched atop hills or guarding strategic waterways, offer a tangible link to a rich and often turbulent past where battles were fought and history was made. And what better way to immerse yourself in their history than by embarking on a castle walk? Strolling through ancient corridors and courtyards, you can almost hear the echoes of the past. Dunster Castle, with its medieval grandeur and sweeping views of the Somerset countryside, invites you to step back in time. Its walls have witnessed centuries of change and resilience. Imagine knights patrolling the ramparts, their armor glinting in the sun, ready to defend their stronghold against any threat. Scotney Castle, nestled amidst a picturesque garden, presents a captivating blend of medieval and Victorian architecture, its reflection shimmering in the surrounding moat. It's a place where history and nature coexist harmoniously. Bowdiam Castle, a quintessential medieval fortress complete with a moat and drawbridge, evokes tales of sieges and battles long past. Its imposing structure stands as a reminder of the fortitude and strategy of medieval warfare. and Tattershall Castle, with its imposing red brick facade, stands as a testament to the architectural prowess of the late Middle Ages. Its design reflects the transition from medieval fortresses to more comfortable yet still formidable residences. These castles are not just static monuments, they are living museums, whispering tales of ambition, intrigue, and the ebb and flow of history. As you explore their halls and grounds, you become part of their ongoing story. Rivers, the lifeblood of the English countryside, have played a vital role in shaping its landscape and history. From the tranquil beauty of the River Thames to the industrial might of the River Mersey, these waterways have served as arteries of trade, sources of power, and a constant source of inspiration for artists and poets. Recognizing the ecological and historical significance of these waterways, the National Trust has embarked on an ambitious endeavour, the Riverlands Project. This initiative aims to restore and protect England's rivers, ensuring their health and vitality for generations to come. One shining example of the Riverlands Project's success is the River Aller in Somerset. Through careful restoration efforts, this once neglected river has been revitalised, its banks teeming with wildlife and its waters flowing freely. The project serves as a testament to the power of conservation and the importance of safeguarding these precious ecosystems. While the National Trust plays a vital role in preserving England's countryside, another organisation works tirelessly to protect and promote its historic environment. Historic England. This public body champions England's historic places, from prehistoric sites to grand country houses, ensuring that their stories continue to inspire and intrigue. Historic England's remit extends beyond castles and stately homes. They also care for ancient monuments, industrial heritage sites, and even landscapes shaped by human activity. Their work ensures that these tangible connections to the past are preserved for future generations to appreciate and learn from. Through a combination of grants, expert advice, and public engagement, Historic England plays a vital role in safeguarding England's heritage. They work closely with landowners, communities, and other organisations to ensure that the country's historic environment is protected and celebrated. Section 6. Majestic fortresses exploring England's castles. Castles, those enduring symbols of power and grandeur, hold an irresistible allure for history enthusiasts and romantics alike. England, with its turbulent past, boasts a remarkable array of castles, each with its own unique story to tell. Tintagel Castle, perched dramatically on Cornwall's rugged coast, is steeped in Arthurian legend. Imagine the crashing waves against the cliffs, the wind whistling through the ruins as you explore the remnants of this once mighty fortress. Kenilworth Castle, with its imposing red sandstone walls, evokes tales of courtly love and medieval intrigue. Carisbrooke Castle on the Isle of Wight offers a fascinating glimpse into history, from its Roman origins to its role as a royal prison. And Warkworth Castle, nestled in the heart of Northumberland, invites you to explore its winding passages and climb its ancient towers. Section 7. Architectural tapestry, from Norman keeps to Tudor grandeur. The architectural styles of English castles are as diverse as their histories. From the sturdy Norman keeps built to withstand sieges to the elegant Tudor palaces, designed for comfort and display, each era has left its mark on these stone sentinels. The earliest castles, built by the Normans after their conquest of England, were often simple structures, consisting of a central tower or keep, surrounded by a defensive wall. Over time, castles became more elaborate, with the addition of gatehouses, towers, and moats. During the Tudor period, castles underwent a transformation, evolving from primarily defensive structures to grand residences. The emphasis shifted from fortification to comfort and style, with the addition of large windows, elaborate fireplaces, and decorative gardens. Section 8. Liquid highways, the allure of rivers and canals. Rivers and canals, those liquid highways that crisscross the English countryside, offer a unique perspective on its beauty. From the gentle flow of the River Thames to the industrial heritage of the canals, these waterways provide a tranquil escape and a glimpse into England's past. The Canal and River Trust, a charity dedicated to preserving and promoting England's waterways, plays a vital role in ensuring their accessibility and enjoyment. They maintain towpaths, restore historic structures, and promote a range of activities from boating to fishing. Imagine yourself strolling along a towpath, the gentle lapping of water against the banks providing a soothing soundtrack. The air is filled with the scent of wildflowers, and dragonflies dart among the reeds. Or perhaps you envision yourself gliding along a canal in a narrowboat, the world passing by at a leisurely pace. Section 9. Planning your adventure, practical tips, and respecting nature. Embarking on a country walk in England is an adventure waiting to be had. But before you lace up your boots and set off, a little planning can go a long way in ensuring a safe and enjoyable experience. First and foremost, choose a walk that suits your fitness level and interests. The National Trust and Historic England websites are excellent resources for finding trails, with detailed descriptions, maps, and difficulty ratings. When exploring the countryside, it's essential to respect the environment and those who live and work there. Stick to marked paths, take your litter home with you, and keep dogs under control. By following the countryside code, you can help to preserve the beauty of England's countryside for generations to come.